Hi students, how are you today? I hope you are very fine. But when someone asks you how are you, what will you say? You have to say, I am very fine, thank you, how about you? Now this thing I have already taught in your class in the school, right? Do you remember that? So when someone asks you how are you, what should you say? I am very fine, thank you, how about you? Now you can have this as a practice with your father or mother or sister or brother. They are going to ask you how are you and you have to give a proper response. What should your response be? I am very fine, thank you, how about you? And they are going to say I am also very fine, thank you. So have this as a practice. Now in my first video I talked about how to answer questions. Do you remember that? Like I put a question like, are you wasting your food? And what should your answer be? Yes? No? You have to answer in complete sentence, right? No, I am not wasting my food. This is how you have to answer the question. Now let me test. Okay, I am going to put some more questions and let me see how you are going to answer them. Did you brush your teeth today? Yes, I brushed my teeth today. Did you answer in this way? If you have answered, then you get a high five. Very good. How did you brush your teeth? I brushed my teeth thoroughly. This is how you have to answer, right? I brushed my teeth thoroughly. Did you take a bath? Yes, I took a bath. Yes, I took a bath. How did you clean yourself? I cleaned myself thoroughly, or else I cleaned myself properly. This is how you have to answer, right? Very good. Now, did you eat your breakfast? Yes, I ate my breakfast. How did you eat your breakfast? I ate with a spoon. I ate my breakfast with a spoon. I ate my breakfast with my hand. This is how you have to answer. Fine. Very good. Are you learning every day? No, I am not learning. Or else, yes, I am learning. Are you reading books? Yes, I am reading books. So now this is how you are going to answer the questions in complete sentences. So try to have a practice. Now all sorts of questions and answers you have had on this video, I want you to put them on the paper. Try to put them on the paper and try to have a practice with your sister or brother or parents. Now today we are going to learn how to talk about our fingers. Now, how many hands do you have? I have 2 hands. How many fingers do you have? I have 10 fingers. I have 10 fingers. How many fingers do you have on your right hand? I have 5 fingers on my right hand. How many fingers do you have on your left hand? I have 5 fingers on my left hand. Right. Now, do you know the names of those fingers? What is this finger called as? This is my pinky finger. This is my pinky finger. What is this finger? This is my ring finger. We generally put a ring to this finger, right? So this is my ring finger. What is this finger? This is my middle finger. This is my middle finger. And this one, this is my index finger. This is my index finger. And this is my thumb. So, this is my pinky finger. This is my ring finger. This is my middle finger. This is my index finger. And this is my thumb. Now, where is your thumb? My thumb is beside the index finger. Where is your index finger? My index finger is beside the middle finger. Where is your middle finger? My middle finger is beside my ring finger. Where is your ring finger? My ring finger is beside my pinky finger. Now this is how you are going to talk about your fingers. Did you get that? So how many hands do you have? I have 2 hands. How many hands does your father have? My father has 2 hands. You're going to use has, right? I have 2 hands. My father has 2 hands. My mother has 2 hands. My brother has 2 hands. So, and what are the fingers we have learned today? Pinky finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger and thumb. Did you get that? So write all the names of these fingers on a paper, and I'm going to revise this in my next video session. Until then, take care.